Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about finding your YouTube channel ID and user ID. So if you're trying to troubleshoot different things, there may be cases where you're going to be requested to have that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Google or YouTube, I guess, and you want to select the user profile icon at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select where it says settings near the bottom. On the left side, you want to select where it says advanced settings. And now it should have your user ID as well as your channel ID listed here. You can select the copy button if you want to copy it to your clipboard, and then you can copy and paste it like you would normally any text. So pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.